Good morning, everyone. So, we have completed the first textbook at the first five chapters. So, uh, I have already informed that today we are going to conduct a TP based on the chapter reproduction. That is third chapter, reproduction. So, today I am going to revise this chapter. So, my dear students, please everyone study well, and also everybody should attend the TP. My dear students, your first semester exam will be conducted in this month, so I wish you all the best. And also we will take and I will take revision classes for the remaining chapters. Okay, for the semester exam, for the portions for the semester exam, I will inform that later. Okay, students. So today at 6 p.m. we are going. I am going to conduct a TP for you for the chapter reproduction. So everyone study well. Okay. So in the reproduction, first topic we have discussed is reproduction. I think everyone remember about that. Okay, so what do you mean by reproduction? What do you mean by reproduction? It is the process of giving birth or laying eggs, which means what? It is a process of living being. It is a process of living things produce more of their younger ones, isn't it? Yeah. It is the process of living being for what? Giving birth to the younger ones. That is called reproduction. So everyone should read the textbook very carefully and should attend the TP. Here we have reproduction is the process by which living things produce more of their own kind or younger ones is called reproduction. So in the case of animals reproduce in two ways. Animals reproduce in two ways. They are, first one, by laying eggs, and second one by giving birth to the younger ones. So in the case of animals they give birth to the younger ones by two ways. First one, by laying eggs, and also second one is by giving birth to what? By giving birth to young ones. So reproduction is the process of what? Giving birth to younger ones, giving birth to their own kind. That is the process called reproduction. It is mainly in two types, by laying eggs and also by giving birth to the younger ones. So first we have discussed about what? First we have discussed about in the case of laying eggs, in which first the example was birds. Birds are the animals which lay eggs for reproduction, isn't it? So what are the main parts of eggs? We know that there are three parts for eggs. First one is eggshell, second one is what? Albumin, and third one is yolk. So what is eggshell? Eggshell is the protective layer. Eggshell is the protective layer of egg. That is, egg has a protective shell. Egg has a protective shell is called eggshell. We know that. We can see the eggshell. And also there is a jelly-like substance is inside the shell. Jelly-like substance is inside the cell. That jelly-like substance is called albumin. So, okay, there is a protective shell which is called what? Eggshell. Inside the eggshell there is a jelly-like structure, jelly-like substance which is called albumin, and also there is a yellow structure. there is a yellow, and also we can see in egg, that is means a yellow substance, that is called yolk within the albumin. The substance which can see within the albumin is called yolk. It is yellow colored. You can see the structure of shell in this textbook. Can you see it? Eggshell, albumin, and also yolk. Okay, this yolk is what? This yolk is uh, uh, this yolk provides food to the embryo or the baby. This yolk provides food to the embryo or the baby, younger baby inside, growing baby inside. Okay, and also what happens? The baby get food from the baby get food from the yolk, and also what, this chick grows to adult, and then baby, younger baby to the chick, and then it's to the adult. It is a process of what? Reproduction. This development is called a life cycle. This development is called a life cycle. That is, the development of an animal from the embryo to the adult stage is called a life cycle. The development of animal from the embryo to the adult. The development of animal from the embryo to the adult is called a what? Life cycle. That process is called a life cycle. So egg has mainly three parts: eggshell, albumin, and also yolk. Protective shell is called eggshell, and also there is a jelly like substance called albumin. Within the albumin we can see yolk. This yolk provides food for the younger ones and also for the embryo. Okay, that is called, the embryo is also called a growing baby. The growing baby develop into chick. The growing baby develop into chick, and then chick develop into the adult. Okay, so this process is called a life cycle. The development of embryo to the adult. Development of animal from the embryo to the adult is called that process is called what? Life cycle. Okay, and after the development, uh, the chick is in the egg. It comes out. It comes out. The animal fully developed. Within the chick are fully developed. It will comes out from the egg. It will comes out from the egg by breaking the eggshell. That process is called what? Hatching. That process is called hatching. For this, egg need warm, isn't it? Egg need warm. For that, parent animal which sit on the egg, and which they provide egg. So this is the first example for reproduction in the case of birds. Okay, students, so hope you everyone remember this. Okay, you need to read the section. Is there any doubt? You need to ask. So today we have an exam at 6 p.m. Okay, so we are going to discuss about next in the case of insects.